A while back we reviewed the Kelly bumbag, a top quality handmade piece of Australian leather art that many guys are still using after 20 years of abuse. Kelly also make this Fender bag, and again it's a fair dinkum true blue piece of good Aussie kit. Like the bumbag, it's expensive, but it's good gear that lasts almost forever. A big issue for many dirt riders is how to carry your gear, and most of us want to keep our backpacks as small and light as possible. The idea of the Fender bag is to carry light items like a spare tube on the front fender, to either make more room in your backpack or allow you to use a smaller one. I run the TUbliss system, so I'm carrying my first aid kit instead of a tube. Kelly have made their Fender bag bigger than usual, as a common complaint is it's very hard to squeeze a tube into most Fender bags, especially if it's a heavy duty one. The bag uses the same top-notch leather as the bumbags, so will last indefinitely. One of my mates is still using his Kelly bumbag after 17 years of riding. It's the same quality deal with the YKK zipper, straps and fasteners. Everything is made to last. Like the bumbag, this is top shelf quality. If you are on a budget, you'll easily find cheap ones for half this price or less. But if, like our cross-training gimp, you are into leather and you like gear that will last for decades, the Kelly Fender bag is well worth checking out.